My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2015 Mini Cooper. This vehicle has done just under 63,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. As we step inside, we can see that the Mini Cooper comes with 2 seats in total. On the steering wheel, we have features such as voice control and cruise control. Using the buttons just above, we can control the rear spoiler, this vehicle also comes with aircon, a USB and aux port, as well as sport mode. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.